Okay, so sagutan natin yung problem number 1 kanina. Yung Laplace transform ng function f of t equals sine 2t minus cosine 2t squared. Okay, so first, i-simplify muna natin, no? So, sine squared 2t minus 2 sine 2t cosine 2t plus cosine squared 2t. Okay, so pwede natin pagsamahin yung sine squared 2t at saka yung cosine squared 2t, magiging 1 minus 2 sine 2t cosine 2t. So ito is half angle identities or double angle identities, I'm not sure. Pero may equivalent to na sine 40. So equal to sa 1 minus sine 40. Okay, so Laplace transform formula natin is f of t equals integral from 0 to infinity e to the negative st 1 minus sine 40 dt. Okay, so distribute natin 0 to infinity e to the negative st minus e to the negative st sine 40 dt. Okay, so integral 0 to infinity nitong e to the negative st dt muna minus integral 0 to infinity e to the negative st sine 40 dt. Okay. So ito muna yung integrate natin since ito yung pinakamadali. Ito kasi is integration by parts. Okay, so ito, integral nito ay 1 over s e to the negative st evaluated from 0 to infinity. Ito is, i-let muna natin to as some variable. Let muna natin as y to. So, minus y muna. So, mamaya natin i-deal yan. No? So, ito, negative 1 over s e to the negative infinity minus e to the 0. Okay? Or e to the negative 0 rather. So, itong e to the negative infinity is 1 over e to the infinity or 1 over infinity lang yan. Okay, so alam naman natin na 1 over infinity is 0 lang. So ito ay mag-0 and ito naman ay 1. Okay, bakit 1? Kasi e to the negative 0 is just equal to 1 over e to the 0. So alam naman natin na any number raised to 0 is just 1. So ito ay magiging 1 lang. Okay, so may negative dito. So magiging 1 over s minus y yung ating Laplace transform ng f of t. Okay, so i-deal naman natin tong y. Ito yung pinakamahaba sa lahat. No? So, change ko yung color to white. So, y natin ay integral from 0 to infinity e to the negative st sine 40 dt. Okay, so integration by parts. I-recall natin yung formula ng integration by parts is uv minus integral ng v du. Okay, so normally ang nilalagay sa u ay either exponential or polynomial function. So wala naman tayong polynomial function dyan. So ilalagay natin ay yung exponential function na e to the negative st. Okay, and kunin natin si du, i-derivative lang natin yan. So magiging negative e to the negative st times s. Okay, may s dyan. Okay, next kunin natin si dv. Si dv ay ito, yung i-integrate naman natin. So si dv yung natitira na sine 40 dt. And kukunin natin si v. I-integrate lang natin tong dv. So ito ay, since sine 40, baliktad. Magiging negative 1 over 4 cosine 40. Okay. So, iayos natin siya as uv minus integral ng v du. So, yung y natin ay equal sa uv u e to the negative st uv negative cosine 40 over 4 uv minus integral ng v negative 1 over 4 cosine 40 du negative s e to the negative st dt. Okay, so integral ng v d. Okay, goods na. Next, simplify muna natin further. Negative e to the negative st cosine 40 over 4. So, may negative dito, may negative. Ilabas natin yung mga constants. Magiging s over 4. Integral ng cosine 40 e to the negative st dt. Yung s natin dito ay constant ha. Itong s ay constant, hindi po yan yung variable na i-derivative natin kasi kung makikita natin dito yung argument nung derivative is t. So t yung derivative natin and the rest of the variables is just the constant. Okay, so kaya nilabas ko yung s. Okay, next. Kailangan ulit natin mag-integration by parts. It's because alam naman natin sa integration by parts, normally kailangan ibalik ulit doon sa original expression na e to the negative st sine 40. So, since cosine 40 pa lang to, integrate natin ulit ng isa. Okay, so isa ulit. So, siguro bracket na lang. Okay. So, uv e to the negative st du negative s e to the negative st dv cosine 40 dt v 1 over 4 sine 40. Yan. So, uv minus integral vd ulit. So, u e to the negative st uv. Okay. So, may naka times yan na s over 4, no? uv minus integral ng v. Labas ko na yung constant, no? Yung v du. So, may negative, magiging positive to. S over 4 sine 40 e to the negative st dt. Yan. Okay, so baba na natin yung y tsaka yung negative e to the negative st cosine 40 over 4 minus ba siya? Okay, tama. Minus yung s over 4, i-distribute na natin. Yung s over 4, i-distribute na natin. So, ito ay magiging s e to the negative st over 16 sine 40. Tapos, pag dinistribute natin sa loob pa, magiging, may negative dito sa loob, ay sa labas pala rather. So, magiging negative s squared over 16. Tapos, ito ay y. Alam naman natin na y yan. So, magiging y na lang muna yan. Para hindi rin masyadong mahaba yung sinusulat natin. Okay? So, itong negative s squared over 16y, pwede nating ilipat sa kabilang side ng equation. So, magiging y plus s squared over 16y equals negative e to the negative st cosine 40 over 4 minus s e to the negative st sine 40 over 16. Okay? So, factor out natin si y. So, 1 over s squared plus, over 16 rather, equals negative e to the negative st cosine 40 over 4 minus s e to the negative st sine 40 over 16. So, ito, pwede pa nating i-simplify. Magiging 16 over s squared over 16. Simple algebra lang naman yan. So, equals dito sa negative cosine 40 over 4 okay, minus s e to the negative st sine 40 over 16. Okay, so i-divide natin both sides by s squared plus 16 over 16. So, makakancel to. So, matitira si y equals negative st cosine 40 over 4 minus s e to the negative st sine 40 over 16. So, magre-reciprocal yun. Lagyan natin ng parenthesis, magiging 16 over s squared plus 16. So, pag dinistribute natin yan sa loob, dun sa first expression, makakancel yung 4 sa denominator, may matitirang 4 sa taas. So, magiging negative 4 e to the negative st cosine 40. 16, may makakancel dito. Pares makakancel rather. S e to the negative st sine 40 divided by s squared plus 16. Yan. So, ito yung i-evaluate natin from 0 to infinity. Okay? So, may common, yung e to the negative st. E to the negative st. Lagyan natin ng parenthesis. Negative 4 cosine 40 minus s sine 40 over s squared plus 16 evaluated from 0 to infinity. Okay. So, evaluate natin. Infinity muna. E to the negative infinity. Tapos, kahit hindi ko na ilagay yung infinity dito sa mga t na nandito, it's because yung e to the negative infinity is 0. So, makakancel ang lahat yan. So, delete ko na lang to. So, alam natin na magiging 0 to pag in-evaluate natin sa upper bound minus evaluate natin sa 0. So, e to the negative 0, alam naman natin na 1 yan. So, ano pa? Negative 4 cosine 0 minus s sine 0 over s squared plus 16. Okay, it should be parenthesis. Ay, sorry, bracket pala rather. Should be bracket, no? Okay, so ito ay 1. Alam naman natin na 1 yan. Ito ay 1 din. Cosine 0 is 1. And yung sine 0 ay 0. So, ito makakancel. So, ang matitira na lang pala dito ay 4. Tama ba? Oo, tama. 4 over s squared plus 16. So, grabe, no? Ito lang pala yung sagot natin. Yung napakahaba-habang integration by parts. So, yun na ba yung sagot natin? Hindi pa. Kasi ito lang yung sagot natin for the Laplace transform ng y na yung integral kanina. Ito. So, i-add pa natin yan dito. Ito yung Laplace transform natin. So, balik tayo sa baba. So, balik natin dun sa... So, Laplace transform is 1 over s minus yung y, which is ito. Which is 4 over s squared plus 16. I'm not sure kung pwedeng ganito na lang sa kay sir. Pero kung gusto mo i-simplify, wala namang problema. No? S squared plus 16 minus 4s divided by s times s squared plus 16. So, equals to sa s squared minus 4s plus 16 divided by s squared plus 16. So, ito yung sagot natin. Okay? So, ito yung Laplace transform natin. So, yun.